Let's take it right over to Nick Santiago, the CEO of In the Money Stocks. Nick, 2023 has been a very active year of strikes and strike talk. Do strikes tend to have an effect on the stock market?
Oh, they do. They definitely do. I mean, if you're looking at a large group of people that make a very good wage go on the unemployment line, I mean, that definitely can have an effect, especially, if it's more than one company. Recently, we had UPS workers that were going to strike. Now, they did settle their contract, but sure, that stock is still being affected, believe it or not, because, a lot of people are saying maybe those workers got too good of a deal. If you look at UPS stock, it's really been tumbling, and I think the stock could even go a little bit lower before it's fairly valued. So it certainly has an impact on the stocks, and it can have an impact on the market in general.
Would you be a buyer of any of the automotive stocks?
At some point, I would buy them, but right now, I think there's too much drama going on. Even when you look at the charts right now, they're not giving me good indications that these are buys at this point in time. So, Ange, I'm very technical. Everything I do has to do with mathematics. So when I see the stock getting down to a reasonable level, I would be interested. So say, for instance, Ford got down to $9. I'll probably be a buyer there. If you see GM get down to around 27, I will be a buyer there. But at the moment, I just don't like these charts, at this point in time.
Turning to the economy, the producer price index increased 0.7%. That is a read on inflation for August. And meantime, that core number rose just 2.2%, but retail sales up 0.6% as the consumer is hanging in there. Nick, what will all of this mean to the Fed and the market?
Well, it's hotter than, people would have liked to have seen. So you got to be in caution mode here. Right now, we are still looking at a market that has had a great rebound since the financial crisis on March 13th. But I think you got to be careful in September and October. These are 2 months of the year where the markets generally do not do very well. They've had a good rebound, though, since mid-August. So we'll see, since the August sell-off in mid-August, we got a bounce. We'll see where we go now. I think you still got to be in caution mode here.
Thank you, Nick.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.